Yusuf, who made a dua every night for 2 years, not for wealth, not for fame, but for one thing. Ya Allah, protect me from a love that distances me from you. What happened next? His story will leave you in awe of Allah's plan. If you've ever struggled with feelings for someone or wondered how to keep your heart pure in a world full of temptations, this is for you. Many Muslim youth today fall into what they call halal dating. No physical touch, just talking with the intention of marriage. But is it really halal? Allah warns in Surah An-Nur 24:30-31, tell the believing men to lower their gaze and guard their chastity. Why? Because the heart is fragile. Even innocent conversations can lead to attachment, heartbreak, and wasted years. Yusuf knew this. He had seen friends get emotionally trapped in haram relationships, so he made a firm intention: I will not let my nafs control me. But the test came when he least expected it. Yusuf was in his final year of university when he met Sarah, named a kind, practicing Muslima from his class. They worked on group projects, exchanged Islamic reminders, and slowly he felt drawn to her. But instead of chasing his feelings, he did something rare. One he immediately made istikhara. Before his emotions grew, he asked Allah, if this is good for my dunya and akhirah, make it easy. If not, turn my heart away. 2, he involved his parents. Unlike most youth, he didn't hide his feelings. He told his father, I think I found someone righteous. Can we approach her family the right way? 3, he set boundaries. He stopped private conversations and said, if this is meant to be, let's do it properly with wali involvement and barakah. But here's where Allah's plan unfolded. Sarah's family respectfully declined the proposal due to cultural differences. Most would have been devastated, but Yusuf remembered his dua. Ya Allah, protect me from a love that distances me from you. He accepted Allah's decree with sabr, and just 6 months later, through a completely unexpected turn of events, his aunt suggested someone else. A woman whose character, deen and family aligned perfectly with his values. They married within a year, and today, Yusuf says, Allah replaced what I thought I wanted with something far better because I chose His way over my nafs. That's the power of trusting Allah's timing. Yusuf's story teaches us 3 golden rules for Muslim youth. 1. Make dua relentlessly. Ask Allah to protect your heart and grant you a spouse who brings you closer to Jannah. 2. Involve guardians early. Don't play with emotions. If someone is worth it, involve mahrams from the start. 3. Trust Allah's replacement. Surah At-Talaq 65:3. Ahkum. And whoever fears Allah, He will make a way out for them and provide from where they never imagined. Your love story doesn't have to be filled with haram, regret, or heartbreak. It can be written with barakah if you let Allah author it. So to the brother or sister watching this, maybe you're struggling with feelings for someone right now. Ask yourself, am I chasing temporary emotions, or am I waiting for Allah's perfect plan? Remember Yusuf's dua. Let it be your dua tonight. Ya Allah, protect me from a love that distances me from you, and grant me a love that brings me closer to you. Jazakum Allahu khairan for watching, and subscribe.